Canva has been known to be one application that's turned amateurs to professional graphic designers. But you've not seen nothing yet, because in this video we're going to look at 4 new hot AI features added newly to Canva that is going to make even more amateurs appear like professional graphic designers. You don't want to miss the fourth one. Are you excited already? So am I. Let's jump right into the video. Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time watching a video on my channel, you're welcome. Do make sure to hit the subscribe button down below so you join our community of people who use their smartphones productively or profitably. And for the algorithm, do hit the like button down below so the algorithm can share this video with more people. Coming up in number 4 is the AI tool called Brand Fetch. So you already know that before now on Canva, it is not all the logo of some popular brands that are readily available on the Canva elements, right? But right now with this app, okay, on Canva or in Canva, you can fetch any brand logos for your design. So let's jump on it right away. In Brand Fetch, I'm going to try to open a design. Okay, try to design. So when it opens up, you're just going to swipe all the way to the bottom right, I think. Yes, so you're swiping to the left. Okay, you're going to swipe all the way to the left so you can see Brand Fetch. All right, but in yours you would not see it, so you would have to go to apps, find Brand Fetch, and just install it. Okay, so now when you go to Brand Fetch, you know that it is not, like I said, it's not all the logos of brands that you're going to see on Canva elements. Let's assume we are designing or we are making a graphics for a crypto project, and we need to bring in the sign of Ethereum, all right, or the logo of Ethereum. So I'm just going to write Ethereum, okay, and we search. All right, so Brand Fetch, so these are all Ethereum. You can even see Dodge. Okay, these are all Ethereum. So Brand Fetch pulls up the brand logo, okay, for Ethereum, and you can easily use it on your design. Now the third one is also amazing. So imagine if you could key in a text and Canva quickly generates graphics for you. I'm talking about really nice graphics that is also going to be congruent with your brand identity. Let's see how that works. So when you open your Canva, okay, and then you swipe again to the left, okay, so you're going to see social media. All right, so you're going to tap on quick create collection. Okay, so the next thing, Canva is going to open up the space where you can key in your text and it quickly generates fonts. Okay, quickly generates designs for Instagram posts, for your story, for your Facebook cover, for Facebook posts, and the rest of them. Okay, so let's just assume that we want to do for Instagram posts and Facebook posts and probably LinkedIn posts. Okay, so I've selected, so I'm going to tap on next. Okay, so now it asks, so what do you want to design? Add the text for your design. So I'm going to write for something like 5 or 4 new Canva features. All right, so you can see it's already doing that, right? So additional text could look like these new AI features of Canva can make you a pro designer. Okay, can make you a pro designer. So you can see 4 new Canva templates and blah blah blah. So you can see different styles that I can just choose from. Okay, so I think I like this one, so I can choose this one and tap on next. Okay, so here is where I can get to choose my color palette. Okay, but I'm not going to leave it the way it is. And over here you can also decide the type of font that you want and then tap finish. Okay, so right now it is designing for me. You can see how this is simple to use. Okay, I can download or I can see my collection. So let me just see my collections. So remember, I did a design for my Facebook post, Twitter post, and LinkedIn posts. Okay, so let's see how it looks. Okay, here it is. So you can see LinkedIn and the rest of them. All right, so if I would need to do further designs, I could just maybe, if this
image, the head is kind of off. All right, I can just select the design and bring it a little down, okay, and further, make it a little better. If not, I can just leave it the way it is. Okay, the next thing, I can just download it. You see, I did not have to look for, rack my brain for templates, image, and all of those stuff to get this design all done. All right, so while you're practicing, of course, I believe you can make yours much better than this. Coming up on number 2 is the one that blew my mind. If you're a business owner, this one is going to be very, very useful to you. Now, you know that when you are trying to do your presentations on Canva, you need to go through a lot of stress, even writing that presentation to creating a presentation slide on Canva. But right now, what if you could use this AI new feature on Canva to generate the text and also create a beautiful presentation, right? So let's jump right into this one. All right, so when you go to your Canva design, okay, Canva mobile application, okay, and then you go to doc. All right, so doc just up here, so you tap on this button over here. All right, so it's going to take you to where you can pick a template, but I'm going to tap on blank template. Okay, so it just opens a fresh one. All right, so once it's opened, okay, so once it's open, I'm going to tap on this button over here, and then I'm going to tap on magic write. Okay, so here I'm going to write 5 tips for a good content marketing. Let's write content marketing. All right, so I'm going to select enter. Okay, so it's going to generate a document, or it's going to write an essay or an article or a content on these 5 tips. So these are the 5 tips it gave me. All right, so the next thing, I'm going to do what is called doc to desk. All right, so I'm going to tap on this button up here, and then I'm going to tap on get started. All right, so it's going to create a presentation for me. When I saw this, I was like, well, MS Word, Canva is about to give you a run for your money. So you can see different templates that have been generated for me, guys. So you can see different templates. So I can just go ahead and select any one. So for instance, I pick out this one and tap create my presentation. All right, so this is what I get from Canva. You can see I did not do anything. This took me barely 1 minute to generate a document and generate a presentation using this new Canva AI tool that you should also jump on it right away. So we have 5 tips for good marketing. All right, 5 tips for good content marketing. Okay, so when we swipe to the right or to the left, and we are going to see the second slide. Okay, so this is the second slide. All right, this is the second slide. Create quality content, create blah 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 and blah. Okay, so if I even want to make these to be in, if I want to separate this 5 into 5 slides, so all I need to do is just duplicate this. Of course, you should already know that. So I can just duplicate this. Okay, duplicate this, duplicate, and then the next thing, I can quickly come over here and start deleting the rest and make one expansive. Okay, I can just expand this one and put it right over here, move to the next. All right, delete the one I've done, and do that for the rest. And this is how I easily and quickly wrote a script, all right, or wrote a content and generated a presentation. And I'm ready for that business presentation the next morning. Coming up in number 1 is the mid-journey aspect of Canva, where you can use text and generate images, right? This one was quite amazing, right? When I saw it on Canva, the first time they sent me this notification that there is this new AI feature, I jumped on it immediately to try it out, and it was quite nice. I know it's still learning, okay, and which is something that I know that's going to get better over time. All right, so quickly, once you get into your Canva,
you tap on this button menu, then you tap on discover apps. All right, so the next thing you're going to see popular, which is text to image. All right, so I'm going to tap use in new design. Okay, so the next thing, let's select this.
So now I'm going to write something. Okay, so I'm going to write something. Let's just say maybe I should even use a photo of a magical forest city from the future. All right, so let us use this. So you can generate your own prompts. Okay, key in your own prompts and get Canva to generate them for you. So as usual, Canva is going to generate 4 images. All right, for me. All right, for me to select any one that I want to use on my design. So this is quite awesome, because if you ever use Canva for comics, you can actually use this, okay, to generate your comic images, pack them up together, and quickly and easily use Canva for your comics. Okay. All right, so we have it. It says photo of a magical forest city from the future. All right, so we have 4 images, 2 already done. So while we are waiting for the rest, let's open up the first one and see how it looks. Okay, so this is the first one. All right, so you can see how I was able to quickly and easily use Canva to generate images. So if you still want to go back to that, all right, so you can still use this button. When you tap on the plus sign, okay, just swipe all the way to the left again, so you can see text to image. All right, so here, this is where I can still see all of those. So this is the one I tried to create. So these are the ones that did not show up. I think this looks quite beautiful, right? This looks also quite beautiful. So you guys, you can jump on Canva right now to use Canva's text to image to generate AI images for your design, for your business, or for whatever thing you need it for. Okay, time for the audience retention test. So we tried out 4 new AI features of Canva. Now on the comments down below, tell me which of them blew your mind. I can already imagine, I can already guess the one that blew your mind the most and the one you're going to be trying out. But still yet, I want to know them on the comments down below. Tell me which of those 4 AI new features on Canva blew your mind the most and you're going to keep using. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you on the next one.
Was that video helpful? You might want to watch more tutorial videos on my channel, like the one I released recently, and then hit the subscribe button up here and ring the bell so you always be the first to know when I release a fresh video. That is if you want to keep watching videos from me, and of course you want to. My name is Frederick. Thank you for watching and see you on the next one.